Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayushi and I'm back again with another Zara haul. I think if you're new here, you wouldn't know that I am obsessed with Zara. That reminds me, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do that. So for today's video, I'm doing yet another Zara haul. I have this huge box here with me, but this time the haul is not going to be OTT. I bought things that I genuinely need, like basic tees to wear at home and run errands with. So without any more talking, let's just jump right into it. So as I told you that this haul is going to be pretty basic things that you would genuinely want. So I did pick a lot of basic tees. So to begin with, I picked this beautiful cotton, 100% cotton lavender tee. I think this is beautiful. I mainly picked this because of the color, and this is really comfortable, really soft. I can wear it at home because at home I really want stuff which is extremely soft. I generally live in the oldest tees that are the most comfortable, so I think this might replace that. So I got this one, and I also got it in another color, this beautiful beige color. I bought this because these were really cheap. These were for $4.50 each, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so they were for $4.50 each, and I wanted them to be pretty loose on me, so that it's easy and it's comfortable, breathable. But I ended up ordering in my own size, which is medium. But it's okay, I can still wear it outside if I want, run few errands in, and I can also wear them at home because they're super soft and super comfortable. So these are the two pieces that I picked, $4.50 each and in size medium. Talking of basic tees, I love Zara's crop tees, which are really boxy, but they are very loose and they are a little cropped. So I got this one. Now that I've got it, it does look like a table mat to me, but it's okay, I can still make it work. If I can't wear it outside, I can still wear it at home. And this was again for $5.90. Oh no, this was for $5.90 again in size medium, and this is really pretty. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with the color lavender, and I literally had to tell myself that I actually don't get any other t-shirt in the same color because they'll all look the same. But then again, who's stopping me, right? So I got this one. I'm not too sure about it now, but it's okay. I think I can still make it work with nice piece of jewelry. Even with this necklace that I'm wearing right now, and with some jeans, I think I can wear it outside. And if not, you can obviously wear them at home. So this is the first crop t-shirt that I got. Now the second t-shirt that I have in the same style is this tie and dye t-shirt. I think this is my favorite if I have to choose between this and the previous one. This is in beautiful tie and dye style and tie and dye theme going on. It is again in the size medium, and I paid $5.90 for it. As you can see, I am obsessed with these loose, really comfortable, effortless style, and that is why I got all of these t-shirts. The whole haul is, will scream comfortable to you. If you watch it till the end, you will know what I'm talking about. So this is the next t-shirt that I got. Pretty nice, pretty soft. And the next thing that I have with me is this pretty top. I think these are the styles that is always available on Zara. I think if I'm not wrong, I already have this top in white and mustard color, and I am really in love with this style. It is really comfortable, really breathable. Also, it has this double layering inside, so you don't have to worry for it to be see-through. It's comfortable, it's nice, it'll completely keep you intact. Also, it gives you an effect that you're wearing a bodysuit because it sticks to your body, and it has a it's really flattering on your body. So this was for $6.90 and in the size medium. So the next thing that I have with me here is something which has become extremely popular is extremely in trend. It is this beautiful shoulder padded tees. Now if you check, I think everybody, you name it, they have this style. Everybody is doing these shoulder padded tees because they are so popular, so in trend right now. This one has a beautiful, I mean, this is cropped, this is a cropped t-shirt, and it also has this belt sort of thing at the end so that it cinches on your waist, and it kind of gives a very flattering look on your body with the padded shoulders, and it kind of comes like this, cinches on your waist. It's really flattering. This was in the size medium. I got it in the size medium. I think everything that I've got is in medium. This was for $7.90, and I got this in this white, beautiful white color. And because it has become so popular, I decided to go ahead and buy the same t-shirt in another style, which is in this beautiful black color. I think I like black more because black anyway makes you look slimmer and more put together in my opinion. This is why I got this one, again in the size medium, and I paid $7.90 for this one. Now let's begin with the bottoms. The first bottom that I got is this beautiful polka dot culottes. These are really comfortable, really flattering. Again, if you haven't got a hint yet, as I told you, it's going to be really comfortable. So everything that you will see in this haul today is extremely comfortable and extremely breathable. You don't have to worry about it, you know, kind of sticking to your body, because that is something that I don't like. So I always like my bottoms to be flowy and comfortable, so that is why I got this one. This has really beautiful, I think polka dot is again one of my favorite trends, so it is in this beautiful polka dot style. I got this one again in the size medium. This originally was for $1990, and I think I got it for $990 or $1290. I'm not too sure, but yeah, this was on sale. So this is how it looks, and it looks really nice with that black shoulder padded tees. It looked really nice. So this is the first bottom that I got. The next bottom that I have with me is this beautiful black paperback trouser. It comes with this beautiful belt. I think this belt was the thing that made me buy this trouser, but then again I don't regret it. This is again really comfortable, really flowy. It can look really nice if you have to wear it to office, and it can also look nice if you wear it down and wear it casually. So this was the second bottom that I got. Really comfortable, really breathable, and in really nice material. This was again in the size medium, and this was originally priced at $2590, but I got it for $990. So the last piece of clothing that I have with me is this beautiful grey, very flowy and very long trousers. I think the moment I saw this on the app, I kind of had this image that how I will wear it. I think this will also look really nice if I can pair this with some transparent heels, or maybe some some nice really big heels, some nice jewelry, and a nice pretty top. This will look so chic if I wear it like that outside. I don't know, I have this image in my head. I don't know if it'll look nice or not, because I haven't tried it out yet, but I don't know. I was really excited when I first saw this. And even if it doesn't work out, it has pockets. Can you beat that? It has pockets. That is amazing. I mean, I didn't realize it when I saw it on the app, but when I wore it for the first time, like when I received my parcel and I wore it for the first time, and it had pockets, like what more you can ask for, right? So this was again in the size medium. This was originally priced at $2590, and I got this for $990, which is amazing. This is amazing. This is really comfortable. It also has this drawstring, so you can adjust this according to your size.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me.
it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the things that I bought. Do let me know in the comments below if you've liked something out of my haul. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. Like the video, share it with your friends if you want, and I shall see you in my next. Bye.